Hey Woodburner fans, Reece Toscani of Redefining Woodburners here, today with the Clock Blifield 5kW multi-fuel stove. We're going to have a look at it, see how it burns, see what the controls are like, and I'll give you my opinion on it at the end of the video. Let's fire it up. So this is the Clock Blifield 5kW stove. Part of the Blifield family of stoves, available with a compact 5kW version, a larger 8kW version, and also a double-sided version. Now the Blifield 5kW multi-fuel stove has a net 84.3% efficiency, one of the lowest particulate emissions available today. The output is a 5kW nominal, so that you will on average get 5kW of heat from the stove during typical usage. So what's unique about the Clock stove is the dial controls, and those dials give you a lot of control over the flame effect, so it really lets you dial in the heat. We've got our primary and our secondary air controls, primary on the right hand side, secondary on the left hand side, and when we're burning wood we pretty much can control it purely on the secondary air. So secondary air, this is fully open. If I shut this down, turn it anti-clockwise, and shut the primary as well, then you can see the dramatic effect that has on the flame. So within a matter of seconds, it's pretty much died the flame right down. Then if we open up the secondary, you can see that straight away kicks right back in and get those lovely flames glowing again. And if we need to, we can adjust and let a bit of primary air in too. So for me, one thing that I really like about the Clock Blifield stove design is its timeless look. It's neither traditional nor modern. It sort of fits between those two categories nicely. It probably is more traditional looking, with the beveled door, the bar across the bottom that's synonymous with Clock Woodburners, the external handles with the dial controls, and that protruding ash lip and top plate. I think the fact that it's British made as well is a great touch, and it's nice to see that we are still making quality products over here in the UK. The Blifield 5 is available in a variety of different styles. We have this version here, which is the metallic black with the stainless steel handles and the dials on the bottom. It is also available with brass dials and a brass handle. We can also do a range of colours. So we have the metallic black shown here. There's also the metallic grey, a metallic blue, a forest green, a honeyglow brown, and a Mojave red. So lots of different colours, all of which are available with the stainless steel or the brass fittings to really matching with your decor at home. Well, that pretty much covers everything we have to say about the Clock Blifield 5kW stove. I've been Reece Toscani of Redefining Woodburners. Thank you very much for watching.